Hi guys and girls, good morning. I hope by the grace of Allah you stay safe and healthy. The word today we will see is who. Who is a common English word to ask queries and questions in English language. Let us make a spoken practice with the word who as such. Who is he? Who's he? Possible answers may be he is a doctor. As you can see on this whiteboard, who's she? She is a teacher, same as who are they? They are singers. Who's who? He is a great historian. Who's that? That's a fourth. Here you can see who is at the door. Someone is at the door. Next you can see who is in the class. The students are in the class. Who is up there? Noman is up there. Who is your teacher? Mr. Alex is our teacher. Who is her friend? Tom is her friend. Who is in the courtyard? Tommy is in the courtyard. Who is with you? My friend is with me. So guys and girls, in the same sense, you can speak out these words and short sentences. These are used in spoken language and you can make a lot of practice with these queries. These are for asking questions. We will see again that start from here. Who's he? He is a gentleman. Who is she? The possible answer may be she is a lady. Who are they? They are singers. Who's who? That's a great historian. Who's that? That's a fort. Look here from the start. Who is at the door? Someone is at the door. Who is in the class? Students are in the class. Who is up there? Noman is up there. Who is your teacher? Mr. Alex is our teacher. Who is her friend? Tom is her friend. Who is in the courtyard? Monis is in the courtyard. Who is with you? My friend is with me. Guys and girls, adopting this sense, you can speak out these short queries and sentences which are used in spoken English to ask for something, to inquire about others. That's the way you can make a lot of practice with these, and I hope that you after a lot of practice you will be able to speak good English. Thank you, take care, God bless you, see you next, bye.